Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are now going to explore how do we make use of the formula that is given that we have just learned and apply it to find the gradient of a line given the following points. So for part A, right, point A and point B, the first thing I will see is that I do need to make sure that I know which one is my X, which one is my Y. And I'm going to demonstrate to you that. Let's zoom in on part A. Yeah. So I could actually just simply have my A as my X1, Y1, X2, Y2. And then just need to apply the formula, yeah? So my y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2, or y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Then you will see the following working. 9 minus 2 over 6 minus 1, or 2 minus 9 over 1 minus 6. And when you press the calculator, both will give you the same answer, 7 over 5. And you could leave your answer as such. Alright? And as we proceed to part B, you will also see that I just need to make sure that I am very clear which one is my Y and which one is my X, because then I will be able to make use of the formula 10 minus 4 over 2 minus 8, or if I start with y2, which is 4, minus 10, then for the x, I will need to start with 8. 8 minus 2. And that will give me the answer -1. And so, for the next two example, it will still be the same. Again, I just need to identify my x1, y1, x2, y2, and I will then be able to be very carefully apply it into the formula. Now, for this particular example, because we are dealing with negative coordinates, notice what Mr. Tan just did. Mr. Tan actually put bracket. And that is very important when we deal with negative values. Okay, the working is still the same. We just applying that formula and we will get the answer. And as we move to part D, where all the Alright, let's move on to part D, where we are given negative values now. And again, as mentioned, all we have to do is to identify the correct x1, y1. x2, y2, and apply the formula correctly. y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. Or you can do the other way around. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. The only key thing that I would like you all to take note is that when we deal with negative values, do write down the brackets. That will help to ensure that we won't make careless mistake. Alright? After that, use your calculator to get the answer. With that, we have come to the end of this particular example. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.